Our second traditional dance is peace dance.
Now it's peace.
It's a peace dance.
We are happy and glad to receive you to our village today and welcome you. Please make yourself at home.
You know, I'm not going to
I am the Brahman chief of this village.
not going to show you a pump.
In this village we call it Pango.
Nanyo, ipi masay man.
And my name is Masay Man.
Kung ba't yan ina, masay puro ka lang, niliman ka man at tanggol.
A word Masay Man means a big star that shines upon thousands of people.
Amay bina, choklos, nawaran, and rato.
And I became the Brahman chief of this village following my bloodline.
Atus kimo naman mo. Agar tonggaw natin ang plakilar, libo.
But I do not govern this village by myself. I also attend 7 other tribal chiefs. They govern this village with me and they represent the 7 tribes inside this village.
Ako naman din, kung saan ginagawa ng ginulfing?
No, I might get chopped off.
You want to be chopped off
Yeah,
in the season?
friends on one of the other bands are getting chopped off.
Okay. Have you trouble of him or what did they say they're going to be chopped off? Yeah.
They said a store called Crowds.
Crowds, yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have 4 commercial banks in Vanuatu. This is one. This is a French bank called the Bread Bank. This one here. And we have the BSP, Bank of the South Pacific. We have the ANZ, New Zealand Bank, and we have the National Bank of Vanuatu. So we only have 4 commercial banks.